In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use and create nested lists. On the page, there is a list of states. Nested under each state is a list of the cities within that state. To create these nested lists, I'll first create the primary list. The primary list should always be created before the secondary or nested list. To start, I'll choose Create a List of Items from the New Action menu. Then, I'll click on the first state and move diagonally down to one of the other states in the list. I'll click and name the field State. Then I'll click OK. Now that I've created my primary list, I'll create the secondary list. Again, I'll choose Create a List of Items from the New Action menu. Then, under the first state, I'll choose the first city, followed by one of the other cities in this nested list. Then I'll name the field City and click OK. To check the accuracy of the nested list that I've created, I'll first look at my action page. I can see that my primary list is placed at the top, followed by its first action, followed by the nested list's anchor, followed by the nested list's action, followed by the nested list end list action, and the primary list's end list action. This configuration is correct. Now I'll check my Capture Text Preview feature pane. I can see that each state is repeated for the unique cities contained within that state. This is also the correct configuration for the data to appear in the Capture Text Preview window. Let's cover another method. For some lists, the nested list is not always automatically deposited within the primary list. When this is the case, you will see each list deposited separately on the action page, so that neither is nested into the other. To fix this, identify the anchor action for the primary list. Click and drag that anchor action until the blue line indicating its new location appears just under the page title. Then, click the anchor action for the secondary or nested list and drag this upward until the blue line indicating its new location appears in the appropriate spot within the primary list. Then release. The list has now been successfully rearranged so that one list is nested inside the other. By checking the Capture Text Preview feature pane, I can confirm the accuracy of this configuration. This concludes the video for using and creating nested lists.